Hey guys, welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to file a dispute on Credit Karma. So the first thing you have to do is to check your three major credit reports to make sure that everything is accurate and up to date. On Credit Karma, you can view your TransUnion and Equifax reports for free. Now, if you find any errors on your TransUnion report, you can dispute them directly through the Credit Karma's built-in dispute tool. So open the app, tap on the Credit tab, and scroll down until you see Dispute Errors on your credit report. Then go to Dispute Center to begin. And inside the Dispute Center, you will be able to view any active or past disputes, and you will also start a new TransUnion dispute from here. Just tap Get Started to continue. Now, before submitting your dispute, you will need to fill out a short form clarifying exactly what you're disputing, whether it's ownership or accuracy. Check out all the boxes that apply under each category, and when you're done, submit your dispute. TransUnion typically reviews disputes within 30 days. Once their investigation is complete, you will get a notification letting you know whether any changes will be made to your credit report. Just remember, disputes don't always show up right away. It may take some time for corrections to appear on your credit reports, so don't panic if the error doesn't disappear immediately. And that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.